Hi guys, happy Monday. I'm here with lesson 48 for social studies. We're going to start wrapping up our government unit by talking about the voting that happens in our country, and we're going to actually take part in our own little election a little bit later in the week. So today's lesson is called Cast Your Vote. And cast means like make. So this is going to be all about how voting works and why it's important. So some vocab for you. Eligible means you're allowed to do something. Office is a specific job in government. So if you're running for office, you're running for a certain job. Campaign is working towards a goal, and this is what people who are running for an office do. They go around the country and they convince people to vote for them. A mayor is a head of a city or a town. A governor is a head of a state. Political party is a group of people that have similar political beliefs. And a candidate is a person who applies for a job. So we're going to be talking about candidates that try and be president, governor, mayor, but candidate could refer to any job. So when you turn 18, you are eligible, so you are allowed to vote. A vote is a choice between people running for office. So when you vote for people, there will be a list that you can choose from different political parties. And we vote for many different positions. We vote for president, judges, senators, representatives, mayor, governor, and even more. So these candidates that are running, they campaign across the country or across their state if they're running for a statewide position. But presidents go across the country when they are campaigning, and they make speeches, they talk about their ideas, they tell people why they should vote for them. And oftentimes you can see in the background of these pictures, all of their supporters come, they hold up signs for them and cheer them on. And again, each person belongs to a political party, and those main two were the Democrats and the Republicans, but there are a few more smaller parties that people can run for. So the presidential election, it takes place every 4 years, and the election day is the first Tuesday in November. There are other elections that happen to vote for the people that will actually run, and then on election day, it's when it's down to those two people running for president. And people vote at different places around their community. So when you register for voting, you will get a little postcard in the mail that tells you where your polling place is. And that's where you will go, give them your name, and then you will be able to vote. And these votes get counted per state. So all of the New York polling places will tally up their votes, and then they will give the winner of that state. And then by the end, they will tally up all of the votes, and whichever candidate got the most votes will win. So vote like your rights depend on it. We're going to be talking a lot about this week, but voting is a right. It's something that we had to fight for, and it's really important that we use it. So this whole week is going to be about why voting matters. And why does it matter? We fought for our right to vote, use it. Every vote counts. So there are times when elections come down to the smallest numbers, and just a few more people that could have voted would have changed the outcome. So every vote counts. Convince your friends to vote when they turn 18. It's really, really important, guys. I can't stress that enough. And of course, another reminder, when you turn 18, register to vote. I'm sure your teachers in high school would be glad to help you with that. Register to vote. It's important. All right, I'm done with my preaching. Let's talk about your questions. So again, please refer back to the slideshow. Every single answer is there. Use the video, rewind, go back, or just use the slides and find the answers. If you would like to join me, I'm on Zoom every day at 2, and I work with a group of students, and we just go through all of the assignments and answer the questions together. So if you're interested, please join, and I can definitely help you find all of these answers. So number 1, what age are you allowed to register to vote? Number 2 is true or false. The only position we vote for is president. Number 3, what does campaigning look like? Does it look like making speeches and convincing people to vote for them, registering to vote, or voting at a polling place? Number 4, how often do presidential elections take place? Number 5, what month does the presidential election take place? And number 6, why does voting matter? Use complete sentences. Number 7, will you register to vote when you turn 18? Why or why not? All right, I hope I convinced you all to register to vote when you turn 18, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Adams.